Today on How to Sublimate, I'm going to show you how to make one of our most popular items, coffee mugs.
Print out your transfer using your sublimation printer. Ensure the surface of the coffee mug is clean and free of any dust. Wrap the printed transfer around the coffee mug, making sure it is central and square. And when using the mug sheets, it aligns perfectly with the handles. Secure in position using the heat-resistant tape, taking care not to put the heat-resistant tape over the printed area. You need to keep the printed transfer nice and tight around the coffee mug, and then place centrally into the heat press. And press with the recommended times, temperatures and pressures. And once the timer has elapsed, remove from the heat press and then remove the transfer paper in one continuous motion and do not allow it to drop back down onto the coffee mug. Allow the coffee mug to cool naturally for around about 20 seconds and place into room temperature water, inserting base first as not to trap any air inside the coffee mug. This will cool the coffee mug down quickly and stop the sublimation process. If we do not stop the sublimation process quickly, then the sublimation ink continue to gas out, which would become very obvious if we had a white background. And once cooled, the coffee mug is complete.
Thanks for watching, and remember, full details on how to create these products, including time, temperature and pressure settings, can be found on the GJS knowledge base at help.gjs.co.